hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. David here, and Daiki's here too. Yeah, how are you doing?
I'm pretty good.
Yeah, it's been a while.
It's been a while this year.
Yeah, all my viewers have been waiting for you to come back again. You're so popular.
Oh, thank you. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's good to hear that.
Yeah. Well, you might realize that we're not in the usual place. We're not in my apartment in Osaka. I made a video a few months ago about my apartment. I did a little tour. I'll put a little thumbnail here, pop. And so take a look at that if you haven't already. But I've only got one apartment, so I can't show you anymore. But Daiki has kindly offered his apartment for a little room tour today. So we're going to take a look at your place.
All right.
Nice reasonable place, right?
Yeah, it's
okay.
really reasonable, I think.
Yeah. Well, let's just get straight to it, and I'll give you a little tour, and we'll talk a bit about it at the end.
Okay. So you guys were watching this video, right? Okay. So guess how much this price, okay? So maybe we're gonna answer this. How much is it in this price? So
we're gonna find out at the end how much it is. Okay.
Yeah.
So before we start though, please like and subscribe. Please comment on this apartment video. What did you think was interesting? What else? Share this video, share this channel.
Tell your friends.
Tell your friends, yeah. I don't have any friends, I've only got Daiki, so please help me out. Okay. I made a mistake last time. I said we got 460 subscribers, but that's totally wrong. It was 360. So I really want to get to 400 by the end of August, so please help me out, okay? Okay, enough chatting for me, so let's take a look at Daiki's room.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so here we are in Daiki's apartments.
Yes, this is my apartment.
Oh, so yes, this is a nice compact apartment in, well, where are we now? We're not in Osaka City anymore.
Yeah.
Where is this?
Neyagawa.
Neyagawa. Okay, I'll put a map on the screen, but
please.
Halfway to Kyoto, maybe?
Yeah, I guess.
Something like that. So,
yeah. But this place is not far away from here to the station. It's gonna be about 10 minutes forward.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, well, I wanted to show you kind of the Japanese way of using space to the maximum. So let's take a look around. As you can see, we've got one big room. That's the main room.
Yeah.
But
this is only one room.
Only one room. That's it.
Yes.
I noticed there's no bed here. Do you have a bed?
Yes. I just have a bed, which is holding bed style, so already stuck here. So when I sleep, I use this space.
You just lay it out.
To sleep. Yeah.
So you've got a folding futon.
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
I like I like organizing, so.
It's very neat and tidy in here. It looks great. Okay, well, so that's where the bed is over there.
Also, I have some clothes,
Oh, okay.
Here,
so
like this. Yeah, I'm living only one person, so I don't have enough clothes. So
that's good.
That's only
low maintenance. That's good. We like that. Okay, and do you have a balcony? Looks like there's something outside.
It is a very tiny place, but actually, okay. This is laundry machine. So there's one spot, but I've never been to there before.
Okay. Yeah. So you keep your washing machine outside.
Yeah, it's weird, right?
Wait, is that normal for Japanese apartments?
Maybe, yeah.
I think I've seen that before in other places.
Depending on the prices, but
yeah,
because this house, doesn't have enough space to put it here, right? So I think that's why they choose to put it here, outside.
Good use of space. Yeah. We've got the air conditioner, of course, very important for a Japanese home.
Yes.
So nice and cool.
Cool.
It's like over 30 degrees today, 60% humidity. It's crazy.
Yeah. It's very big, right?
It's pretty big, yeah, for this room.
Even tiny space, but
yeah, but it's very important.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's look around there. We've got a little study area. Is that?
Yes.
Is this where the magic happens?
So that's a book.
What are you studying?
Like a CPU examination.
And
CPU. Also, there's some vocabulary book. That's it.
Yeah, that's good. You look very organized. And this is where the hard work happens. On your desk here.
I think.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how it works, but I always is here to study. Yeah.
Studying good. Hopefully making some more YouTube videos soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, please subscribe to Daiki's channel as well.
Please.
Yes, I'll put a link in the description. I've got a little shelf up here.
Yeah,
That's
but maybe depending on the person, but just be honest, I don't like putting some stuff here.
Right.
Because, yeah. But
It's a bit hard to get
one
there.
alcohol.
Oh, that's okay, yeah.
That's it.
It's a simple life, simple life. What are all these on the wall?
It's vocabularies.
Oh.
Yeah, I always try to remember.
That's
but
great.
It's very difficult for me, right? Because I'm 24
Mm.
years old. My brain
Still youthful. No. It only gets worse from there, so don't worry.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look at the kitchen then, because
Yes.
people at home might think this is quite small, but it's not unusual really, is it?
Yeah, but it's very tiny place. So, but there's gas here. But if you want using gas, so you can. It's possible to use it. But I usually use IH. Right.
Oh, okay.
It's possible to
So there's like a electric heater.
electricity heater. Yeah.
Is that the one that uses like the magnets or something to heat up the?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's quite popular, I think.
So yeah, I always say it.
Yeah. It's quite rare for a Japanese room to have like a gas oven or something like that. So,
Exactly.
So space is a premium. Oh, what's this little thing down here?
Are you thinking about
It's a magic box. Yeah.
it? It's
Oh,
rice cooker.
rice cooker.
Yeah,
Oh,
I always use it. Yeah.
Do you eat rice every
That's
day?
my
Oh, that's important.
for Japanese. Yeah, when I go to these states, I'm 100% sure I bring it.
Okay.
He's my son.
That's important. Your son. Okay, no, treat him carefully. Oh no, your son.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
That's organised. You've got pots and pans. That's good. Okay. Well, we've got
this is fridge.
fridge.
My oven. Yeah.
Microwave.
Very good.
Oh, that's interesting. Opening
Yes.
down like that.
Yeah.
So,
So.
is it just a microwave or is it like a toaster oven?
I think it's only for micro.
Mm.
Yeah. Yeah, just melting sound.
good.
You know, like.
Ooh.
Oh, sorry.
Everyone's
this
earphones
fridge.
just popped out.
So this has two types of room.
Mm.
So first, it's just keeping cold.
Right. So just a refrigerator.
Some food, drink.
Yeah. What have we got in here? Can we do fridge raid?
Yeah, but
Ooh.
yeah.
And there. I've got some gyoza. Oh, that's
Gyoza,
nice.
egg.
Eggs.
I don't know what is that.
Seaweed.
This is my, I don't know,
Tebasaki.
barrier. Like,
Chicken wings.
yeah, for my friends.
Okay, this is
And
pretty
dressing.
healthy.
Yeah, that's it. Also, there's some like spice I think.
Yeah, that's healthier than my fridge.
So,
Is it the freezer?
yes, really.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
So I know some people at home in foreign countries, they have huge freezers. They keep so much stuff in them.
Or,
But yeah, this is good. This is enough for living by yourself, I think.
that's my.
Oh, some snacks. Takenoko no sato.
Yes.
That's
I
great.
love
Is that your favorite?
it. Yes.
Okay. Great, thank you.
Okay.
Should we take a look around the corner? What's over here?
So, okay, next
Oh,
is,
yeah.
this is interphone. Like somebody come here, like I always watch, you know, like, hey, who is this?
Oh,
Like,
okay. It's like your intercom.
Yeah.
thing. Great.
Yeah.
So it's got a speaker in it too. You can talk outside.
Yeah. Outside.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
I've got one of these too, but I don't know half of the features. So.
Yes. And also this is tiny shower.
Hmm.
Like I always, you know, my watch, wallet,
Yeah. Keep all your
that's it.
important stuff.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice storage.
So actually this is my bathroom.
Hmm. Okay, let's take a look.
Here
Oh.
it's only one unit.
Yeah.
Or you know, mixing, shower room and toilet. I think.
Yeah.
Here,
Oh, that's good.
I think it's
That's
usual
kind
style
of
in
all,
Western countries.
kind of all in one, right?
In Japan, yeah.
I used to have that when I was in student university accommodation. So
Yeah, as a first time when I came to here, like just when yeah, I don't like this style, but yeah, it's getting easier. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
easy to clean.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, then we've got this little room too. This is like the entrance. Oh, where are you going? Yeah. So.
Okay. So this is the place to take off shoes here.
Hmm.
Yeah, and also there are some works, you know. Yeah, you can
Got some shoes
organize
down here. Yeah.
Maybe it's have shoes, maybe 4 or
Big
5
shoe
here.
fan.
Yeah.
Nice.
There's one place, you know,
Oh.
but yeah, I'm a kind of person like, you know, putting something here. So, yeah,
That's good.
that's
So,
good.
fairly small apartment, but it's got a lot of places to store things. right?
Yes.
Okay, so.
So actually, there's some two box here.
Hmm?
Two box actually.
Oh, wow. Okay, sorry, I missed that.
Yeah.
Two boxes up there. Oh, wow, hidden in plain sight. That's
you
good.
know, laundry or
Like detergents.
yeah, cleaning stuff or yeah, that's it.
Wow. I know you're.
Sorry, I can't show you here. 'Cause
Oh.
it's very dirty. Just be honest.
Is that for the premium members? Okay. Oh, okay.
You are premium. You can watch
Yeah,
it.
it's okay. It's secret. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
This is your secret mess, is it?
Yes.
You're a very clean person, though. Everyone needs a little bit of mess. It's
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, maybe I think that's it to introduce my place. So actually, as I mentioned before, I guess, actually it's gonna be about 10 minutes for walk from here to the station. Actually, this station is Neyagawa station. I think it's very big station compared to other places. Yeah, and also there are 7 supermarkets around here.
7?
Yes.
That's a lot.
And also convenience store, it's gonna be about only 1 minute for work.
Yeah.
And also, yeah, if you don't like taking a bus here, like tiny space, there is some, you know, how can I say in English, onsen spa
Like a hot spring, like a public bath.
for 30 seconds for work.
30 seconds away.
Yes.
Well, that's very nice.
Yeah, it's very good, right?
Looks like you've got it all worked
And
out.
also, when you come to, you know, enter this place, you need to use some numbers, you know, to enter this place. Like so, I think security is really good.
Right.
Yeah.
Seems like a pretty safe area too.
Yeah, but this advantage of this place is actually this place is really for students because there are some university around here.
Okay.
I'm not sure, like Setsunami Daigaku, yeah. But yeah, sometimes students, you know, play a party at night. It's really noisy. But
Okay.
I think that's really good. But
You're not noisy though.
I'm not a noisy person.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay, well, thanks for showing me around your apartment. Let's stop there, and I'll come back to us in a moment. Okay, let's go. Okay, welcome back. I hope that was interesting. You can see Daiki's lovely apartment. He's looking very proud. You happy?
I'm happy that I get to see my purse here.
That's good. Well, if you're interested in that, please leave some comments down below. And if you have any questions for Daiki, let me know. I'll pass them on to him. But the one big question. How much is it?
Oh,
you teased us
it's
earlier.
Very important thing.
Yeah.
It's about $300. まあ3万 in Japanese.
30,000 yen.
Yes.
$300 per month.
What do you think? I think it's really cheap because including air conditioner, fridge, micro oven, and laundry.
Oh, so it's furnished as well, yeah.
And also using internet.
That's all included?
Yes.
I'm living in the wrong place. Do you need a neighbour? I'll be your neighbour.
Oh,
for the same price.
Yeah, please. Please.
Yeah, well that's a nice bargain.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I think, I'm not sure. Yeah, but if you want, like, let me know. I can connect with Fudosan.
Fudosan, like real estate agents.
Real estate agency. Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
I'm jealous now because my apartment's more than double that, I think.
Yeah.
And I've got to pay the internet and everything like that too, so.
Yeah.
Good, nice place. Okay, well thanks again.
All right.
Thanks for introducing. Like I said, like and subscribe this channel. Add a comment. Share this channel, share this video, whatever you want to do. Please help us get to 400 subscribers. Really want to get there by the end of August if we can.
Yeah.
Think we can do it? Do you think it's possible?
I think it's possible.
Yeah, okay. Well, Daiki says so, so I believe him. Okay, great. Well, have a nice weekend. Take care of yourself. Thank you, Daiki. Please come back again soon.
Thank you for coming today.
Yeah. If I put Daiki in the thumbnail, then I automatically get a lot of views, so I need you.
I hope.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Take it easy. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.